Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy holidays. It is Christmas Eve, and I'm not skipping Quick Tip Tuesday today. This is a video all about how you can get better dress shots with an item you can probably get on Amazon for like $1, and that is a clamp, a small clamp that you can clamp the back of the dress with to give it better figure and make it more flattering for your shots, for your photos. So let's get into the video in just a second, but first we're gonna roll the intro. All right, we are at John and Amy's wedding. You might have seen me photograph this wedding in our 30-day crash course series. And what I'm doing is I'm clamping the back of the dress, and what that's doing to the dress is allowing the waist to look much slimmer. Normally when it's on a human, right, this fabric is wrapping around somebody, but when it's on the dress just hanging there, it falls flat and looks not too appealing or flattering for the dress itself. So we put a clamp there to just kind of tighten the waist up a little bit. And I'm noticing that there's some light and shadow hitting the dress, and I wish it was just an even soft light or just shadow on the dress instead of these little pockets of light, but it still looks pretty good. And I start in the very back, right? I start in wide shot and I slowly move forward, changing up my angles, getting low, going back up to eye level, and just working my way in. And now I'm photographing the hanger and her name or whatever it says on the hanger. And I don't always just do straight on shots. I'll go from the side sometimes and get these side shots that look a little bit more, I don't know, I'm not going to say candid, but that's pretty much it. So that's all I did for dress shots. It took me maybe 2 minutes after hanging the dress to photograph everything. And then I carefully removed the clamp and brought it back inside. And that's it for dress shots, guys. It's really not too difficult, but the clamp really does help, and it will up your dress photo game. Hang it in a beautiful spot, get some wide shots, and that's really all I have for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please share this with a friend who might find this content valuable, and I will catch you guys in the next video.